Person you was not tough, just show it on the internet. She treat me like I'm on now, and I ain't even did it yet.
She like today's video is gonna be on the coupe, as you can see the title, and we gotta update you. Hold on every damn dent. Yeah, I'm definitely not doing anything to this car anymore. I'm not doing rims. I'm not. Hell no. This car's a bucket now, bro. It's a drift bucket. That's all it's gonna be. So hopefully you guys just heard that cold start right now, and that's just with a resonator and muffler delete. My power steering is literally screaming, so hopefully you heard the cold start. I swear, bro, these 1UZs and these power steering pumps. I fortunately haven't had too many with the problem, but it's a common ass problem. Everything with a 1UZ, eventually the power steering pump fails, dog. That motherfucker was gross. We go ahead and go change up the little sound real quick. I'm gonna give you some revs before what I'm gonna do. So those are the revs before the modified exhaust. Let's give it a little throttle. Hopefully the camera picks it up good. But, you know, I just need more loud. This is not good enough. Sounds good, sounds healthy, but you could always go louder, you know? So we're gonna head over to the exhaust shop right now. Hopefully they're not too busy and they can knock this out for me. I forgot to mention as well, the reason I wanna change my exhaust is not obviously I wanna be, you feel me? I'm trying to come through barking, you know what I'm saying? But that's not the only reason, bro. Since we unbolted the mufflers and the resonators, bro, the fucking pipe ends like right under my seat, bruh. And it's, bruh, I be boiling in here, bruh. It's hella hot in here. Like, it's already like 100 degrees out, right? It was 100 degrees out yesterday. And bruh, it's like 140 degrees in here. Like, especially since this idiot ruined my AC. And bro, he blew out my AC unit. I don't even want to talk about that. Oh shit. I don't even want to talk about that. That's just hella annoying, pissed me off, but it is what it is. That's the main reason I want to switch it up or get a real exhaust setup, because bro, it's too damn hot and I can't do this. I can't do it anymore. It was it was either pay like $1,000 to fix the wiring on my AC unit or get a new exhaust that doesn't boil my ass. You know what I'm saying? So we went with the exhaust. So I just left the exhaust shop, and boy, this thing is screaming now. It sounds lovely. It sounds, man, let me just get straight right into it. Bro, look at the difference already. Bruh, this thing sounds manly. So the cool thing about it, right, that I noticed is when you're low in RPMs, it sounds hella aggressive. It sounds cool. But boy, you get up in RPMs. Look, like I said, let me stop talking. Let me just show you. Oh shit, I didn't see that bump. Bro, hey, this thing is screaming. It's like, bruh, you finally well, there's hella glass right there. You finally let me breathe. Bro, this thing sounds beautiful. God damn. This thing sounds lovely. See what I'm saying? Low RPM sounds hella mean. And once you get up in them RPMs, it sounds crazy. It sounds crazy. Here, let's do one. We're gonna do one more pull. One more pull. God damn. Bro, I'm in love. I want it more loud. That's what I'm talking about. More loud, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. Now we barking through the neighborhood. Let me go give you some revs real quick. What I tell you, this thing sounds crazy. Let me give y'all some first gear pulls. Just in first. Let me show y'all this thing humping. Yeah, man. You're gonna have to subscribe to know the sauce. You have to. You gotta subscribe. So what y'all think, man? What y'all think about the new setup? And I know it's getting close to the end of the video. I might have clickbaited you a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But why ain't you subscribed though? So you're watching every video but you're not subscribed? Tell you what, it's good. I ain't even tripping like that, you know what I'm saying? Get this page to 1K and I'll give y'all the sauce. Because I know you're going to be in the... I already see you. Put your fat fingers away. I see you typing your comment hella mad. Talking about, he didn't even tell us this new setup. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, I can't be giving away the sauce. All I'm going to say is, I still got my cats. It is not catless. And it sounds beautiful. Sounds spectacular. You know what I'm saying? So tell you what, we'll do a deal. Subscribe to the page, like the video, drop a comment that you want me to drop the actual setup, my new setup, my current setup. Just show me some love, man. Turn me up. We got this 4K footy gas videos. You know, these videos ain't trash, you know what I'm saying? It's not. Don't tell me it's trash. I know it's not trash. So turn me up, bro. And I'll give y'all the sauce. And I'm gonna play this clip now. And just a little disclaimer, this is all done by professional drivers on closed courses, legal, of course, in Mexico. In Mexico, they don't be tripping in Mexico, you know what I'm saying? So enjoy this clip, man. Subscribe, drop a comment. and subscribe.